Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can get the statistics of your social media account on your own WhatsApp every week automatically. So guys, here we are going to connect Social Blade application as the action application. So Social Blade is an analytics tool for social media account, and we are going to connect it with WhatsApp in such a way that every week you are going to get the statistics of all your social media accounts automatically. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding very easily. So let's start. So we are using Pabbly Connect to set up this automation, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. I have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now, and after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. So here you can give any name. Here I'm giving the name as social media stats weekly on WhatsApp. So after giving the name like this, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will see the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we are going to set up the automation. So the trigger here is that event which is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be the response or the consequence of the trigger. So here in the trigger, first of all, in this use case, you can see we want the statistics of the social media accounts weekly. So we are going to schedule the running of the workflow every week on a particular day, and at that particular day this workflow is going to collect the statistics and send it to you. Okay, so first of all, to run this workflow every week, we are going to use scheduler feature here. So with the help of scheduler feature, you can schedule the running of your workflows according to your will at any given time. Okay, so here it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So I want to run this workflow every week on a particular day. So I'm going to select this days of the week. So you can select the day of the week. Select this option. Then it will ask for the days. So from this list, you can select the day. Let's say I want to get the stats on Sunday. So I'm selecting Sunday here. And I want the stats in the evening 7. So I'm going to select the time here according to the 24 hours time zone. Sorry, 12 hours time zone. We are here with 7 p.m. Okay, here's 7 p.m. right now. You can click on save and you can see this workflow is scheduled to run every week on Sunday at this time automatically. Okay, so after scheduling, what we want that this workflow should collect the statistics of our social media accounts. For that, we are going to use Social Blade application, which is a analytics and statistical tool for your social media accounts. So for this, we are going to connect Social Blade here in this actions tab. So from this actions tab, search for Social Blade. Here it is. And the action event would be get statistics. Okay. Then click on connect here. And from here, select add new connection. And here it is asking for the client ID and the access token of Social Blade. So you can see I am already logged in here in Social Blade application. Okay. And to get this client ID and access token, you just have to right click here on this client ID text and open this in a new tab. Okay. And in this tab, you will find, okay, so it is asking to log in here. Let me log in. All right. And after logging in here, you can see we have this client ID. So you can open it and you can copy it. And you have to paste this ID here like this. Similarly, open the access token page in a new tab. And here you will find the access token like this. You just have to copy this whole text and you have to paste it here in this field. And then click on save and you will be connected with Social Blade like this. Okay. And here it is asking for the platform. So I want to collect the statistics of the Twitter account first, then I'll collect the Instagram account statistics and also Facebook. So right, first of all, I'm going to select Twitter here. Okay, and here it is asking for the query. So here you have to enter the account name. So here I'm going to show you the demo by of Social Blade application's Twitter handle only, because we are using a free account of Social Blade, so it will give you the stats of its own handles only right now. Okay, if you have a paid account, you can enter your handle's name and collect the data. So here you can see, guys, the name of Social Blade's Twitter handle is Social Blade only. So I'm going to put it here, Social Blade. Okay, then click on save and send test request button and you will get all the statistics here. Okay, so it is showing an error, Social Blade not found. So let me check the username from Social Blade. All right, so actually it is @Social Blade. This is the username, so I'm going to put it here without any spaces, exactly as it is, Social Blade. Okay, let me put it like this, Social Blade. Okay, now click on save and send test request. And here, guys, we got the statistics collected here in this response section. So here you can see when you scroll down, you will get the username displayed as this. Okay, and here this account is created at this date and time. This is the location, and here you can see the total number of followers of this Twitter handle is this, and the total number of followings is this. The total number of tweets are these, and followers growth, here you can see it will give you the followers gained in a single day. Okay, here it is showing -15, that's -17. That means this account is actually losing followers. So last day or yesterday it has lost 17 followers. You can check the statistics on Social Blade as well. Here you can see I have opened the statistics here also, and here you can see at this date 3/12/2022 this account has lost 17 followers. So it is showing you the same here as well. Okay, and in last 3 days this is the stats, in last 7 days these are the stats. Similarly, you can check the tweets growth as well. In last 1 day the tweets growth is 0. In last 14 days this account has published 2 tweets only, you can see here. Okay, and similarly you will find the ranking of this handle, total number of tweets, favorites, everything is here. Okay, followings for tweets. Okay, right, now we got the stats of Twitter. Now it is time to connect with Social Blade again to collect the statistics of Instagram and Facebook. For that, what I'm going to do here, I'm not going to make a new connection again, I'm just going to copy this step. Okay, let me tell you how you can copy the step. Here you can see we have this copy step option here. Click on copy step. Okay, so the step is copied, and now you can paste this step below this step here. Okay, for that you just have to click on this paste step below option, and the same step will be pasted here, you can see like this. Okay, so this is how you can copy paste the steps. So here you can see in this step, now we are going to change the platform. From Twitter, I'm going to make it Facebook. Okay, now let's click on save and send test request, and here you will find the statistics of Facebook. Here you can see it is showing you the display name. Okay, here you can see the total likes on Facebook page is this. Okay, these are the people who are talking about this handle on Facebook. These are the growth of likes. Last day this account got only 1 like. In last 3 days it is losing likes, and here you can see all the stats, the ranking, data, daily likes are these. Okay, all right, so this is how you can see the data. So you can compare the stats of Facebook also from Social Blade. Now let me open the Facebook handle of Social Blade here. This is Facebook. Let me type Social Blade and search for it. And this is the Social Blade's Facebook stats. And here you can see the total likes are 44,598. And you can see the same data here, 44,598. Okay, so this is how you can get the data, and you can see the date wise stats as well. So this is the date of 4/12/2022, and these are the likes, and at this date these are the likes, these are the people talking about on this date. Okay, similarly now we are going to copy and paste this step again to get the statistics of Instagram as well. So I'm copying this step and I'm pasting this step below, and here I'm going to change the platform now to Instagram. Okay, then I'm clicking on save and send test request, and these are the stats of the Instagram account. And here you can see these are the medias posted recently on Instagram. These are the links of the posts. Okay, and here you can see the total media posted from this handle is 85. These are the total number of followers, these are the total number of followings, this is the engagement rank, this is the average likes, average comments. You can check the same here also in Social Blade. Let me change the platform, and the handle name is same. And here you can see guys, the data is here, and here it is showing the total followers count, the total followings count, and the total media count. And these are the daily stats. You can check for it. Total following count is 78. This is the same. Okay. Total followers 21,156. 21,156. These are the same stats we got captured here as well. Now we got the stats of 3 platform guys, and I want to generate a report, a weekly report of these stats, and I want to send it to the WhatsApp of the account holder automatically. For that guys, I'm just going to generate a report, and for that just click here on this plus icon, and we are going to use Google Docs application to generate a report. Okay, so search for Google Docs here, and the action event would be create document from template option, and then click on connect. From here select add new connection, then click on sign in with Google, and from here choose the Google account by which you have created the documents template or the reports template. Then you have to provide some additional access to your account. Just click on continue. That is completely okay, and you can see the authorization is successful, and we are connected with Google Docs, right? And in Google Docs application, I have created this report template. You can see the name of this template is social media accounts reports, and here's how I want to fill in the details of Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Okay, so I have placed these placeholders in double curly braces. So in this placeholder, I want to put the total likes the handle got on Facebook, and the likes in last 7 days. Similarly, total followers of Instagram and those followers gained in 7 days, and in Twitter, total followers on Twitter and the last 7 days growth. Okay, so guys, to place this data here, we are going to select this template here in the template document option. So when you click here, it will show you all the templates you have or the documents you have. From here, select the name of the report template. Then it is asking for the new document's name. So you can give the new document's name as you want. So I am giving the name here as social media weekly report. Okay. Right. And here it is asking where you want to save this report. So I want to save this report in my Google Drive directly in a folder. So here is my Google Drive, and this is the folder I have created named as weekly social media reports. Okay, so it is asking the same here, in which folder in your Google Drive directory you want to save this. So from here select the folder's name, and here it is asking for the FB likes, FB 7 likes. These are the placeholders exactly I have placed here to get this data filled here automatically. And to get this data filled here, you have to map the details of these things here in this workflow. Okay, so first thing is for Facebook likes. So just click here, and from this first step, let me see where we have connected Facebook. This is Instagram, this is Facebook. So in the third step, we have connected Facebook. All right. So to map the data from the third step, you just have to click here on this field and the previous steps will appear here like this. And from the third step, when you click, you will get the data like this here only. And from here, you have to scroll down and click on the total likes label and the likes will be placed here. Similarly, click here again and from the third step, find this growth of last 7 days from this growth like 7 label and click on it to map it here. Okay. Now it is time for Instagram. Just click here and from this fourth step or the last step, map the total followers of Instagram from this data that you have received. These are the total followers and the followers gained in last 7 days. You will find also here in this data. So here it is, total followers, just map it in last 7 days. Similarly for Twitter, use the second step and map the total followers of Twitter and the Twitter's following gained in last 7 days. You will find it here in this followers 7 growth label, map it like this. Okay. So that's how you can map the data. So when you map the labels here like this, what happen in every week when this workflow is going to execute, these labels are going to change automatically according to the data changed in Social Blade, and new report will be generated every time and sent to you automatically. Okay. Now you can generate a test report by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new report will be generated and will be saved here in your Google Drive. Let's check the connection. I am clicking on save and send test request here. And this is the response we have received and a document ID is generated. This means the report is ready. Let's see in the Google Drive. And here you can see guys, we got the report ready here with this name, social media weekly reports. Let me open this for you. And here you can see guys, the data got placed in the placeholders automatically as I have mapped. You can see previously the template was like this. The placeholders were here. And now the generated report is this and the data got placed here, right? Now to share this report, what we are going to do, we are going to click here on this plus icon, and in this action step, we are going to connect with Google Drive because the report got generated and saved in Google Drive only. So search for Google Drive here. All right. And in the action event, I'm going to select this option, share a file with anyone. So with the help of this option, we are going to get a shareable link of the same report that we have just generated. So click on connect here. And from here, select add new connection, then click on sign in with Google. And from here, you have to connect the Google account by which you have the access to the drive where you have saved the report. Click on continue from here. And you can see we are getting connected. All right, so we are connected and here it is asking for the files ID. So you can see guys, in the previous step, we got this document ID generated in the previous step. Okay. And I'm going to map this document ID here in this field. For that, you just have to toggle this map button to on. Okay. And here it will show you the last steps, previous steps. So from this last step, map the document ID. Okay, like this. And after that, click on save and send test request button like this. And you will get the shareable links generated of the same report. Here you can see guys, in this response, we got the name of the file. And this is the web view link. This is the RTF link. And this is the HTML link, a PDF link as well. So these are all the shareable links of the same report. So we can use these links. So we got the shareable link. Now we want to share the file we have generated on WhatsApp. For that, just click here on this plus icon and another action step will open up. So from here, we are going to connect with WhatsApp, and to connect with WhatsApp, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's API or application programming interface. And to get that access, we are going to use WhatsApp's own cloud API platform. So before connecting cloud API here, you have to connect your number, your business number with the cloud API setup, and you have to create a system. And after that, you can use it here. So to set up the cloud API system, you can watch the video from the description, set up your own cloud API system. And after that, just search for WhatsApp cloud API and select it. And the action event would be send template message option. All right, then click on connect here. and from here select add new connection, and here it will ask for the name of this connection, the token, the permanent access token of Cloud API, the phone number ID, and the business account ID details. So guys, if you want to know more about these things and how to make connections inside Pabbly Connect, you can just click here on this here text written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly Connect, and here you will find these two videos. First video is for setting up the Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. Second is video is for generating the permanent access token, and here we have written instructions along with screenshots as well to make you understand how you can connect Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can learn from here. And for now, let me show you these things in my Cloud API system. So here I am on my Cloud API setup. Okay, this is Meta for developers, and here I am under WhatsApp's getting started page. And here you can see we have this temporary access token. So first they gave you temporary tokens, but these tokens expires in every 24 hours. So if you want to run your workflows continuously, you need to generate the permanent token, and you can watch the video from the description or from this forum page for generating the permanent access token. Okay. After that, it is asking for the phone number ID. So you'll find the phone number ID here as well, like this. You just have to copy it and paste it here. Similarly, you will find the business account ID here, like this. Just copy it and paste it. And after pasting all the things, click on save, and you will be connected with WhatsApp Cloud API. And the connection that you're making here by this process is going to be saved in your account. Okay, so if you want to make the connection again, you can use your saved connections as well. For that, you just have to click here on the select existing connection option, and here you'll find the list of all the existing connections that you have. And from this list, you can choose any one. Let's say I'm choosing this one, and now I just have to click on save, and I'll be connected with Cloud API again. No need to fill all the data again and again. Okay, so we are connected here, and here it is asking for the templates name. So guys, to send messages automatically to many people at once on WhatsApp, we need to create message templates inside the Cloud API. So message templates are pre-created message structures that you can use to send messages. So for this purpose, I have already created a template. If you want to know how to create such templates, you can watch the video from the description. Okay. So this is a template I have created for this purpose, and you can see the preview of this message is going to look like this. Here it is showing Dear Raga. The Raga is a random name of any person. Here is your weekly statistics reports for your social media accounts. In the above report, you will find the last 7 days growth of Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Okay. So this is how it is going to look like, and here the report is going to be attached. And here you can see this is the body of the message, and in this body you can see here we have this 1, 2, 3, 4 placeholders in curly braces. So with the help of these, we can change 4 things in this same message automatically whenever we are going to send a message. Okay. So first of all, you have to select a template's name here, like this. So the name is this, you can see social media weekly stats, and the same got selected here. After that, you have to enter the recipient mobile number. So here you have to enter your own WhatsApp number or the WhatsApp number of the person to whom you want to send the report. Okay. And now it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to enter your WhatsApp number or the WhatsApp number of the person to whom you want to send this message or report. Okay. And you have to enter this number in this format without any plus sign and with country code. So 91 is the country code for India. You have to enter your country code. Okay. Right. After this, it is asking for the header documents URL. So here in this message template, you can see we have a header here in which we are going to place the document or the report we have generated. And we have the link, the shareable link of the report here in the previous step. Okay, you can see this is the link. So I'm going to map this link here in this field. So you just have to click here and it will show you all the previous steps like this. And from this last step, map the PDF link like this. Okay. Similarly, it is asking for the header documents file name. So you'll get the file name also from the same step, last step. Here is the file name. Now it is asking for the body fields. So guys, to get the things changed in the body fields or the placeholders automatically in the message, you need to map the values of these things inside this workflow. Okay, so let's see first what we have to place in the body fields. So here in the first body field, I'm going to place the name of the person to whom we are sending the message. And here it is saying you will find the last 7 days growth of 2, 3, and 4. That means here you have to place the name of the social media accounts or the platforms of which you have created the reports. So I have created the report for Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So I'm going to place it here. Let me place the things. First, here I am going to place the name of the person. Let's say this is any demo name. Here I am going to place Instagram, Twitter. So I am placing all the things in this body fields manually. I'm not mapping the things. So the things that you enter manually remains the same in every message. It is not going to change. Only thing that is going to change here is the link, the report, and the file name. Okay, because we have mapped the labels. Okay. Now you can check your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on Save and Send Test Request, and a test message will be delivered to the WhatsApp number that you have entered here. So I'm going to place my WhatsApp number here just to show you the demo, and let's see how the message is going to look like. So I am clicking on Save and Send Test Request button. And this is the response we have received, and I have received a new message on my WhatsApp, you can see here. And the message is this. All right, and here you can see it is showing, dear demo name, here is your weekly statistics report for your social media accounts. In the above report, you will find the last 7 days growth of Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So from here you can download the report as well, and let me open the report for you. And here you can see, guys, this is the same report that I have created here like this. Okay, you can see the stats 44598. Okay, so this is the same report that we have generated in Google Docs, and it got converted in PDF and shared here on WhatsApp automatically. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in the workflow. After that, this workflow is going to run every week on a given day automatically and send you the report message on your WhatsApp automatically. And if you want to use this workflow, you can use it, because I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description. And you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.